Hello everyone, this is Mohammed and today we are working on a text button of the Flutter. So this is a default project I already created, and here I will set a text button in the center. So in the child of the center I will set a text button, and the text button is just like a same as an elevator button, but it do not have a default background color. So it also has a two property like on praised and child. Means not only two, it has many properties like same as the elevator button. So the child will be text widget. So I will set submit, and now you will see the text button here. So this is the text button without any background color. We can also change the background color of the text button in the same way as we do in the elevator button. Like we need to set the style. So here we will set the text button dot from style, and here I will set the background color like color dot green, so it will show the background color. And in the same way we can also change the foreground color foreground color like white. Okay, and we can also set the border color also in the same way as we do in the elevated button. So here we will set the shape property, so rounded rectangular, and we will set the border radius dot circular like 20, and whenever we want to set the border color, we can also set the border color of the button. So for this we can use side property, so like border side, and this container width like 1.5. I want to set 1.5, and also color should be like red. So this is the same as we have created a elevator button. So this is a text button. So text button, and in the elevator button, text button has do not have any background color, but in the elevator button have a background color, and it also have some property like whenever we want to some elevation effect or something, elevation color, elevation color. So we can use a color in the form like on surface color like dot yellow. So I think right, we are not actually this is deprecated, so we can't use this, and has elevation like this. We can use 1.5 elevations, but some properties are deprecated, so we can't use we don't need to use the deprecated property, so we can use like this. So this is a text button we can create in a Flutter. So for today, this is enough for today, and stay with my channel and support me. Bye bye.